Welcome, gardeners! Today we're kicking off a new series all about growing carrots, a versatile vegetable that thrives in a variety of environments, from traditional garden beds to containers. Whether you have plenty of space or just a small balcony, carrots can fit right into your garden plans. Carrots come in many shapes and sizes, but traditional varieties like Nantes or Danvers are well suited for in-ground growing. These classic carrots grow long and straight, making them ideal for deeper garden beds with loose, well-draining soil. Don't have the space for a full garden bed? No worries. Shorter varieties, such as Parisian or Thumbelina, are perfect for containers or raised beds. These compact carrots are just as flavorful and are ideal for gardeners with limited space. With the right variety and growing environment, carrots can be a rewarding addition to any garden, big or small. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow, care for, and harvest your carrots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!